Sir, message to all the Filipino people na nandyan at kumapit para sa iyo at iwawagayway mo sila sa darating na Setyembre. What's your message sa lahat ng mga tao na tumulong at mga Pilipino? What's your promise to all of them?
Ayan, thank you so much. Grabe, yung iba nababasa ko na that they are planning to book a flight sa Thailand to support me and to watch Miss International Queen 2025. Sobrang thank you. Wag na tayong makipagsagutan or to spread negativity. Let's focus on one thing na ilalaban ko kayo. Just relax, stay calm. Samahan nyo lang ako sa likod ko. Ako nang bahala.
What's your promise to the Miss International Queen Philippines organization?
Yes, first I would like to congratulate Sir Tay and then siya as the newly crowned din, as the new president and national director of the Miss International Queen Philippines, and also to the whole people, di ba? Yung lahat ng nagpuyat, the staffs, everything, the choreographer and everything na nasa likod behind the glitz and the glamour, sabi nga nila. So thank you so much sa inyo. Hindi nyo kami pinabayaan from day one. Grabe yung, masasabi ko parang grabe yung pag-spoiled sa mga queens. Grabe. This edition is one of the best edition kasi nakaranas kami na dati sa baryo lang kami nagko-contest, di ba, Mamaten? And then sa barangayan. And then ngayon, sa MOA Arena na pinapanood lang namin na first Miss Universe 2016 and also Miss Universe Philippines doon ginaganap, and sino makakapagsabi na ang mga chance queens ay kagaya rin nila na makakaramba, di ba, sa MOA Arena. And that's the reason why I'm so grateful with Sir Tay and the Miss International Queen Philippines organization. And if there's one thing that I would like to promise to the organization is that don't worry, I will do my job in a very best way that I can.
Thank you so much, Anne.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
See you in your victory party.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ingat po. God bless you.
God bless.
Thank you.